Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter on the Canva tutorial. Okay, so now we are on our chapter number 7, and here I'll be showing you how you can create an Instagram post in Canva. Okay, so I'll be telling you guys how you can make your own design and how to select the size. Okay, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can do that. Okay, different ways of doing that. Okay, but I'll be showing you guys from the scratch. Okay, that I won't be using any kind of template from Canva which they have, but you guys can use. Basically, I'll be showing you guys how to get access to all that as well. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's get started with this particular chapter here. So here, as you guys can see, I'm in my homepage of Canva. So basically what you guys can do is you guys can directly come to the templates, and from the templates you guys can come here and you guys can search. Suppose I want to search coffee. Okay, so here I will be making a kind of Instagram post where I'll be promoting a particular coffee shop, okay, or a restaurant's business, okay. For me, I will be creating it for a coffee shop. So for that, I am searching coffee here. So all the templates related to coffee will I'll get here right now, okay. So it might take some time here, okay, to load, but it will eventually load and show me what all are the templates do I have here. Okay, I'll go back from here. Let's try to check these templates again. So here you guys can basically see that I do have different templates over here. Okay, so here are different kind of templates from where you guys can basically choose. Okay, so here you can see it's an off page, or you were making this one, like this is just a normal image, and this one here is just a normal coffee shop grand opening image here. Okay, and this are few of the guidelines how to make your espresso. Okay, so for me I will be making something like this one. Okay, so here basically you guys can see that it is 50% off, order now. I'll be adding an address and I'll be putting that one. Okay, so I won't be taking any templates here, but basically I'm just showing you guys that I'll be making something like this. But here, instead of coffee, if you guys want to make anything for an restaurant, okay, so let's see some of the templates for restaurants as well. Okay, so here you guys can see these are few of the templates for a restaurant. Okay, so this is how you guys can actually make your own as well. Okay, so I'll again go back here, and as I told you that I'm going to start it from the scratch. In that case, what I'm going to do is I'll click on create design, and here I will write Instagram post. Okay, and here once I click on Instagram post, here you guys can see I do have a option. Okay, do I want it in a portrait chef or I want it in square? Okay, so basically Instagram post, if I take it in square, it's 1080 into 1080 pixels, and here if I want to take it in a portrait, it's 1080 into 1350 pixels. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this portrait mode only. Now they'll be creating a particular workspace for me where I can start working. Okay, so yes, I do have my particular thing here. Okay, so now first thing first, what I'm going to do is I'll come here on the styles option and I'll check what all color do I need. Okay, so before that, suppose I will come to the elements option, and from the elements I will be going to the photos option. Okay, so I will search coffee from here. Okay, and I'll click on enter. And from here, basically, I'll be selecting one image. Okay. Suppose I want to use this particular image or this particular background. So for that, what I can do is I will select this from here. I will delete this one. Okay. So here you guys can see I do have this. I can basically put this one from here. Okay, so this is the one which I will put here. And again, I will keep this one here. So I do have my background already here. Okay, so here you guys can see this will be the background of my design first. So from here I have selected, and here you guys can see there are different others as well. Okay, so from here now I will again go on top. I will go on top, and from here I want to upload some images. Okay, so suppose I will come here. If I want to upload any files, I'll click on upload files, and it will redirect me to my page here. And from here basically I do have few images, so I'll select all of these images. I'll click on open, and here it is getting imported here. Okay, so here you guys can see my image right here is getting imported. So now what I want to do is I don't want to directly put this particular image right here. Okay, what I want to do is instead of putting it directly down here, I'm going to make some frames here. Okay, so you guys basically know how we can do that. Come to the elements option, go back. Okay, so directly from the elements you guys can search frames. Okay, and click on enter, and here you guys can see I do have frames of different style. Okay, so suppose one frame I will put somewhere here, and the other one I will put let's take this size. Okay, so let's put one here. So yeah, I do have both of this frame here. Basically come to the uploads option, and from here the first thing I will be choosing is I'll be dragging and dropping this particular image here. So here you guys can see basically I do have this image over here. Okay, so what I can do is if I want to actually move this particular image box here, I can basically move this image box from here. Okay, so this one is that. I will just keep this one somewhere down here. And now again, I do have another image as well, where I will be just dragging and dropping this image here. Okay, so here you can see I do have both of my image as well. Okay, so here I have this image, and here I do have this particular image. So now I have put my image as well, and I have fit this one properly as well. Okay, if you want to increase the size from here, you guys can increase the size from here as well. Okay, if you want to increase the size of this one, you guys can do that as well. Okay, so I do have this, and yeah, this one looks quite fine. Okay, so now what I will do is, so again, come back to the elements option, and from the elements option, go back or just clear this one out. And from here, basically, you can search ribbon. Okay, so if I search ribbon from here, and I'll click on this, and here you guys can see I do have many graphics ribbon. So from here, maybe I will just choose this one, and I will keep this one somewhere here. Okay, and I will just increase the size of my ribbon from here. Okay, and I will put this one here. Now, what I'm going to do is come here into the text option, and from here, I will click add a text box. But here in this particular text box, what I'm going to do is I will keep this one somewhere here, okay, in the middle of this one. And I will write special special offer. Okay, so I'll write this one from here, and what I'm going to do is I'll select this whole text, and now I'll increase the font size from here, and I'll increase this one, choose the appropriate font from here. Okay, so check which one basically looks good. Maybe I'll take the I'll choose and I'll select different one. Okay, I'll be selecting which one looks better. So yeah, this one kind of looks good. I'll be selecting a color as well. Okay, so basically if I choose this color looks quite good, I guess. Okay, so I'll keep this one in middle, and I will select this, and I will decrease the size of this one from here. So maybe I will keep this one somewhere on top and this one in the middle. So here you guys can see I do have my this one ready. And now again I'll be creating another text box. Okay, so I'll be just naming the coffee shop. So what I can actually name this particular coffee shop. So basically I can see that I do need more space. In that case, what I'm going to do is I will just decrease the size of all of this from here. Maybe I'll decrease it from here as well. Okay, so I will keep this one somewhere here. And now I will name the coffee shop from here. So I'll just add a text box. And suppose I have named my coffee shop as coffee or not cafe or like not coffee. It should be cafe robusta or cafe mocha. Okay. So I will save this particular name from here. And what I'm going to do is I will change the font from here. So I will select this particular text, and now I will just change the font size. Maybe I'll keep it 82. And from here, I can check which type of font I do want here. Okay, so this font kind of looks good. So what I'm going to do is I will bring this one somewhere here, and I will just increase this one. Okay, but here I'll be just changing the text color. So let's see what suits. Okay, so this one kind of looks good. Okay, and now I will be putting out the buy one and get one. Okay, so here I'll be putting buy one and get one. For that I need another text box here, and I'll write buy one get one free. Okay, so I have posted this as well. I will just move this one somewhere here, and I'll also put another text box here, And right here, what I'm going to do is I will again come here. Okay. So I'll bring this one here, select this particular text box. So I'll write here offer, offer is offer is only available on this month. Okay, so I do have this as well. Okay, so I will click on this one, and now I will select this particular text from here, and I will decrease the text size from here. Okay, so basically I will just move this one down a little bit. I will change the color from here. Okay, so here you guys can see what all color has been used. So maybe if I choose this color but with a different font, it will look quite good. Okay, so let's select different fonts from here. Okay, so this font looks quite good. So yeah, this one is ready. So here you guys can basically see, and here if I want to put any type of graphics, I will search coffee from here, and I'll click on this one, and here you can see I will come to this graphic option, and from this graphic option what I can do is maybe I will select something from here. Okay, so I will keep this one here. I will just decrease or increase the size from here. Bring this one here. And I will just place this one somewhere here. Okay, so this is how it basically looks. And I can also add some of the coffee beans. Okay, if I want to. From here. Okay, I will just decrease the size and I will put it somewhere here. Okay, so this is how we can basically work. And yeah, I am all done with my post here. Okay, so here you guys can do a lot of things, add your address and so many things. For me, I just did to show you guys. Okay, so here in this particular class, I have shown you how you can make a promotional post for your Instagram. Okay, so for your Instagram post. So this is about a cafe where I am just promoting them. So yeah, I hope you guys have understood this one. Okay, so I'll just save this one from the downloads, and I will save it this one in a JPEG format. Okay, so I will click on JPEG, and here is the particular size, and this one is the quality. So I will click on download, and here you can see I am just saving this particular word. Okay, so now it is getting downloaded. So I'll just click the file where I want it to get downloaded. So I want this to get downloaded here. I will just rename it. So I'll name is that this one as Instagram post, and I will just save this one. Okay. So here it is being downloaded. Let's see here. Okay, so here I do have this one. Okay, so this is the one which I have just created. So here you guys can see this is basically the post which I have just now created. So hope you guys have liked this one and understood how you can actually start on with your Instagram post, like what are the different features you guys can do and how you can actually make a business promotional video from the scratch. Okay, so this is how you guys can basically start off. So hope to see you all in the next class where we'll be learning how you can actually create a YouTube channel art in Canva. Okay, so we'll be learning about all that in detail in next class. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.